Welcome to our demonstration of the Asus ProArt PX13, the ultimate laptop for creators. Let's start by unboxing the Asus ProArt PX13. As you can see, it comes in a sleek professional packing. First impression matter, and the ProArt PX13 doesn't disappoint. Its 13.3 inches OLED 3K touchscreen display is stunning, offering precise color occurrence for flawless proofing. The ProArt PX13 is packed with AI-enhanced features, including a 50 TOPS NPU for AI performance. It's a compact size. The ProArt PX13 offers versatile I/O ports including a USB-C and the HDMI SD card reader, ensuring a seamless connectivity with all your peripherals. Design is both elegant and durable. The 360-degree hinges allow for a versatile usage, and it's a lightweight at just 1.38 kg, making it a perfect for on-the-go creators. Under the hood, the ProArt PX13 is powered by AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX3S70 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU. This combination ensures exceptional performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and much more. The ProArt PX13 is your perfect companion. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech review and demonstrations.